These cinnamon rolls start with my favorite soft and rich dough. I've got a full step-by-step video showing exactly how to make that dough, so if you want to see how it comes together, I'll link it right here. In this video, I'm showing you how to turn that dough into pillowy, swirled cinnamon rolls topped with a rich cream cheese frosting. The full recipe is on my blog and a link is in the description. To make the filling, mix some room temp butter with brown sugar and lots of cinnamon until it's a smooth, spreadable paste. Take your proofed dough and roll it out into a rectangle about 12 by 16 inches. Dollop the filling across the surface and spread it out evenly. You can either roll it up from the long side for 12 standard rolls baked in a rectangular pan, or roll from the short side for 8 chubbier rolls baked in a large round cake pan, which is what I'm making today. Lightly grease your pan, arrange the rolls, and cover with a damp towel or a plastic shower cap. Let them rise for about an hour until they're puffed and pillowy. Toward the end of proofing, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake until nice and golden brown, then leave them to cool in the pan. While they bake, let's make the cream cheese frosting. Throw the butter and cream cheese, powdered sugar, and a splash of vanilla into a mixer bowl. Start the mixer on low so you don't end up in a cloud of sugar, unless you're into that sort of thing, no judgment. Then crank it up to medium-high until it's light and fluffy like this. Once the rolls have cooled, slather on a generous layer of frosting and dig in. This dough is super versatile. You can use it for anything that calls for a soft and rich dough, like these cheddar gochujang mini babkas. Watch this video next for the recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.